Hello students, I am Mr. Sram Math teacher of ALPM Public School Gola Bazar Gorakhpur. Dear students, you know in the previous video I have already explained what is integers and what is natural number, what is the whole number and how to express any integer on the number line. But today I will explain how to add integer on the number line. So dear students, I will revise exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.3 question number 1 is question number 1 of exercise 7.3. Question is add using the number line. Add using the number line. Add using the number line. First part is 8 plus minus 4 and second is minus 6 plus minus 2. On the number line, how I will add this number on the number line. So first of all, I will draw a number line. This is number line and take middle point of this number line. Suppose this is middle point of this number line and written as 0. And right side of 0, I will take equal distance and represent positive integer. Suppose that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is positive integer. And I will represent negative integer on the left of 0. So it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. This is the negative integer and this is the positive integer. Now we have to add 8 plus minus 4. So how to add 8 plus minus 4 on the number line? First of all, I will move 8 steps from 0. That is here. 8 steps. You move and go at and reach at 8. Now we have to add minus 4. So here is minus 4. So I will move left 4 steps from 8 because here is minus 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and reach at 4. So this number is 4. It means 8 plus minus 4 will be equal to the 4. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. Now next question is minus 6 plus minus 2. Now add this number line. How to add minus 6 plus minus 2 on the number line? So Dear students, as you know, here is minus 6. So, dear students, as you see here, negative digits are left of the 0. So, I will move left 6 step from 0 and we comes here, it is 6. Now, you have to add minus 2. So, here is minus 2. Dear students, the previous video you have already, I have already explained that here is minus 4. So, we move left 4 step. So, here is minus 2. So, I will move left 2 step from minus 6. So, move reach at minus 6. So, minus 6 plus minus 2 equal minus 8. Now, dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. Now, I will revise question number 3. Question number 3 of exercise 6.3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is use the associative law. Use the associative law to add this integer. To add these integers. First is 200 plus minus 33 plus minus 67. First of all, I will explain what is associative law. Dear students, you know that I will explain associative law that if A, B, C are two integers, then A plus B plus C equal A plus B plus C. It means if three integers, then we can group any two integers and add, the result will be same. Here you see that here B plus C. First of all, I will add B plus C, and here we add A plus B. So here in the given question, A equal 200 and B equal minus 30 and C equal minus 67. So we can write at this time 200 plus minus 33 plus minus 67. Then it will be equal to the 200 minus 33. Here plus minus will be minus 67. Then first of all, I will subtract 200. I will subtract 30 from 200. Then it will be 7. 9 plus 9 minus 3 will be 6. 167 minus 67. then it will be 100. So if we add this number by the associative law, result will be 100. Now next question. Next question is part second. 1022 plus minus 663 plus minus 922 plus 333. First of all, I will add these three numbers and take this is one number. So how to write this? 1022 plus minus 663 plus minus 922 plus 330 by the associative law. Suppose that this is one number. So suppose that this is one number and I will write as this time. So first of all I will add this number. So it will be equal to 1022 and here will be minus, here minus 663 plus minus will be minus and it will be 922 plus 333. Then it will be equal to the 1022 minus, sorry, here is plus. So it will be equal to the, sorry, plus. Here first of all I will add this and this will be equal to the 3 plus 2 5, 6 plus 2 8, 9 plus 6 15. And it will be minus 1585 plus 333. Then it will be equal to the 1022. Here plus minus will be minus 1585 plus 333. Now this will be equal to the 5 minus 2 will be 3, 8 minus 2 will be 6, 5 minus 2 5, 1 minus 1 will be 0. So it will be minus 563 plus 333. Now it will be equal to the 3 minus 3 will be 0, 6 minus 3 will be 3 and 5 minus 3 will be 2 and it will be minus 230. So if you add this number by the associative law, first of all we will make group. We take this is one number, this is B, this is A, and this is C, and by associative law we find the result minus 230. So I hope that this question is clear to you. So dear students, I will give some questions based on this explanation. Now I will revise the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is what is the sum of what is the sum of the largest 4-digit positive integer, sum of the largest 4-digit positive integer, 4-digit positive integer, 4-digit positive integer in the smallest and smallest 3-digit negative integer, 3-digit negative integer, 3-digit negative integer. So dear students, first of all, I will find out what is the largest 4-digit positive integer. Solution. Largest 4-digit positive integer is 9,999. Largest 4-digit positive integer equal 9,999. And smallest 3-digit negative integer. What is smallest 3-digit negative integer is minus 999. Smallest 3-digit negative integer equal minus 999. So sum equal 9,999 plus minus 999. Then it will equal to the here plus minus will be minus. So it will equal to the 9,999 minus 999 and it will equal to the 9,000. So dear friend, I hope that this question is clear to you and I will give some question to your homework and I hope that you can do all this type of question very easily. Thank you so much.